Hey guys, welcome to my channel, cause I'm gonna do YouTube videos for you on my tuba. Okay, I don't have a tuba, but that was just unnecessary. Didn't need to happen. So anyway, I got an idea. I have this light here that really doesn't do much. It doesn't illuminate much of anything. So I'm going to repurpose it. I have this beautiful Philodendron Brasil that has these gorgeous, I don't know where the frick the camera lens is, has these gorgeous dark leaves with these neon green paintbrush strokes down the middle. And the new leaves come in with this sort of pink hue to them. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I got this at a plant swap, and since I've gotten it, it's just been happy putting off new leaves. This one here is like, would you look at that? Half and half. Gorgeous. So it was given to me in soil. I've put it in water since then just because I like the look of water propagation. And honestly, if you have trouble watering your plants, it really takes the guesswork out of them. You get your green foliage, they get their water, and you just need to remember to change up the water about once a week, and you know, everyone's happy. So I boiled some water and poured it in here already, just to kind of sanitize that. But super simple. Gonna take off the lid, gonna pull out this. Anyway, inside there's just like this little rubber stopper that I'm gonna pop out so my plant can go through here. And I got my water that has been sitting out for over 24 hours now. Of course, leave it to me to spill. Is my forehead wrinkled? Because that's my serious face. You'll get to know that face real well, real soon, real fast. All right, guys, this is how easy this is. I'm actually gonna kind of like swirl this around a little bit to get more of the soil off, but that's gonna come off in time. So from one to the other. And I mean, like, you just gotta be a little bit gentle with the roots. Guide them into their new home. But here you are. Aw, son of a gun. I forgot this part. I was just so excited. Cut. Take two. Anyway, let's do that again. No, okay, so if you're like me and you forget to put that back on, just rewind. Thread it in here real careful. Plants are pretty hardy, pretty resilient, and can take a beating. She threw. Now this again. Sorry about this. Philodendron. All right. I mean, I could have had the lid on already and just done it once, but I'm blonde, so I like to do things the hard way. Whatever. Learn from my mistakes. Subscribe. All right, I'm gonna shove this in where I crack myself up, but hell, if you can't laugh at yourself, then what the hell are you doing this for? So, guys, that's it. Easy peasy, cute little Philodendron Brasil in a nice little light bulb, and I'm gonna put it in my son's bedroom. His name is Edison, so I don't know. I think that's pretty perfect, if you ask me. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace and love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Now let me clear my throat. Anyhow, Monstera, Fiddly-Fick, doing good. Stromanthe, ooh, you pink little thing, you. What else we got there? Sansevieria, Ponytail Palm, Sensitive Plant, Pilea peperomioides. That was a fun one to say. And I think that's all you can see. I hate this succulent right here. Hate it. It's just the stretchiest thing ever. What else? This thing here. It's a bromelaid. And pretty sure. Yeah, there's a spider plant behind the baby Monstera. Oh, and there's the pink syngonium cuttings. I'll put a card up here for the video. That was my very first video. Just knocked my glasses off kilter. Yeah, I mean, like, okay, I'm Burrow's tail. I love you. It's probably one of my faves. It's like doing so well. Okay, anyway, back to it.